How to split a Doordash bill with friends. Hi everyone, this is Kate here and welcome back to the channel. And on today's video, we will learn how we can split a Doordash bill with friends. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So for that, first of all, you have to open up the Doordash application, choose your food and add everything in your cart like usual. Then head over to your cart and go to the checkout page. So once you're on the checkout page, you have to search for an option that says split the bill under the payment option. So you have to tap on it. Then here you have two options, whether you want to go with split evenly or split by item. So select your preferred choice from here, whether you want to split the bill evenly among all the members or each person pays for their own items. So select one from here. Then tap and save. After that, Doordash will provide you a link which you can share it with your friends. Send the link through WhatsApp, message or anywhere, and your friends can open it up, see the order, and pay their share directly. Each person pays their part, and you will see when someone completes their payment. When everyone is done, you can place the full order. But in case if you do not have that option, there is also an option for group order, which will let everyone add their own items to the cart. So for that, if you tap on it and it lets everyone in your group add their own items to your cart, then you can share a link and each person adds what they want. Only one person pays for the whole order. On this, you are using the split the bill with it, and use this when you want multiple people to build order together. So that's it. That's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.